James from the YouTube channel Project Air is attempting to do something that no one has ever tried before. He wants to land an RC plane on an RC aircraft carrier. But how did we get here? It took James months of planning and building to create the aircraft carrier, a task that created an array of problems along the way.
It's extremely stressful. We've been going at this for ages now, and we're not really sure whether it's going to work or not.
Even learning to fly and land the planes was a challenge in itself.
Okay, using the rudder, grab it in. Oh!
By installing FPV systems into the planes, this would make the process of piloting a lot easier. Fiberglass skinning the carrier was also carried out to make it stronger.
It feels very strong now. Oh yeah, we're gonna be fine.
Through all of this amazing efforts, the aircraft carrier was built and ready for action.
Yes! It works!
James has 3 RC model airplanes at his disposal to see if any of them can land on the aircraft carrier.
I've been waiting for this moment for about 3 or 4 months now. And now it all comes down to my flying skills. Clear for takeoff. Oh, look at that! It works! Now I'm just using the throttle to modulate ourselves towards the deck. Oh!
Missed it! Stuck!
Coming in! I can hardly see it, it's so bright.
Oh!
How square is the deck?
Not very square. Abort. Oh, you're lifting a bit high. Come to your left a little bit. Yep. Right. Left. Left. Oh! Abort. Abort. This looks promising. Left, 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 left. Right. Oh, I think. Yes! No, abort! Ah!
Yes! I was fully expecting just to see the water then. On the goggles, I just expected to see it all. Victorious! Woo! Well done! Oh, we did it! Oh, there we go! How am I looking?
Looking great. Good. Bit higher, bit higher. Oh yeah, abort. Left, two right. Abort, you're in the water. Abort, up, up.
Oh no! Well, that was a lot more difficult than the previous attempt with the Aero Scout. Turns out that not being able to see properly with the cockpit in the way makes a big difference. Okay, third and final one of the day. Let's see if we can land a warbird on the deck of this aircraft carrier. It's way more advanced than any of the other planes that I've flown so far. You can also see far less through the FPV camera, and I've never flown it before. So what could go wrong?
Abort!
Yes! Have to duck here if I get it wrong. I can't believe it! We did it! And we got a Corsair on the deck! A Corsair on the deck! Oh my goodness me! How did that happen?
2 out of the 3 RC model planes managed to land on the RC model aircraft carrier, not only allowing James to complete his latest challenge, but it also allowed him to achieve a Guinness World Records title along the way.
Victory! To have this idea and then it actually work, that's amazing. Isn't that cool?